Hey guys, it's Sean with HTW Shine Shop and Hazelwood Mobile Wash. I just finished up this van build for soft washing. This is the house washing unit now, and I'm pretty stoked on it. So you could come check it out maybe. I guess I'll just... here we got a P40. And we have a garden hose reel, soft wash reel. I scabbed these spacers, I guess, I don't know, stackers together. I bought a TIG welder earlier this year and taught myself how to TIG weld aluminum, 3/16 to be specifics. That's all I can do. But yeah, we built this cool little stand. I wanted something that was super useful. Pull up, open the door, looks good. That counts for a lot, I think. When you pull up to a customer's place and, I don't know, show off a little bit. They don't know that I got shitty welds. But yeah, pull up, hook your water line up. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a Midwest proportioner there. I'm not sure if I put that one together or not, but I have, if you want to use surfactant, which we rarely ever do, I just thought you could put a, 5-gallon pail there and just drop it in with one of them strainers. And yeah, I did this, no batteries, no room for air when you're out on the job site. We have a pickup and it has the Midwest Tsunami in it, or whatever it's called. And it just makes me nervous. I don't think we've ever really lost power on it, but it makes me nervous running around with a battery, and you need the battery to operate. I don't like it. But anyways, we got... this is old school, no battery setup in this. We got our flush out. I'm using a drum for chemical because I couldn't get a nice one in, so that'll work. What else? Built this cage for these 200-gallon tanks, two 100-gallon tanks. I got the Hudson float valve. That's pretty much it. I got this little pressure washer plumbed up. We pretty much just use it for surface cleaning. If we're going to a surface cleaning job, we're not taking this rig anyways. But if we're washing a house and they need their sidewalk cleaned or their driveway cleaned, this will do the trick. It's just a Kohler with a 4-gallon per minute pump, cheap pump, but we go through them like nothing because we're hard on stuff around here. And yeah, other than that, got the blower. I got a, well, that's kind of where we keep our squeegees and window cleaning stuff. We'll throw a window cleaning water-fed pole kit in here. I just don't know where I'm going to mount it yet. And yeah, I put 1.25-inch water line through the bulkheads on the bottom. I put those two bulkheads in, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I did. And then I have a 3/4-inch line coming out for the pressure washer. It's not hard. Just drill some holes. Anyone can do it anyways. It took me probably, I'd say 2 days of TIG welding to figure it out. I burned up a lot of aluminum before I got some to stick together. But I think I'm pretty handy. I'm good at welding steel. I just never touched a TIG before. So, oh yeah, we built this stand here. I thought that was kind of cool. They're super hard to get, a stand for a stationary pressure washer. Sometimes we'll take the pressure washer carts, and we'll just cut around them and kind of just bolt them to a couple pieces of aluminum tubing and then bolt them to the ground. But this time I spent, I don't know, it probably took 3 hours start to finish, from cutting the aluminum to welding it together. So I should have made a bunch of them because we could use them in all the other trucks, but I just wanted to make sure it would work. We self-tapped them to the floor, which was super chintzy. They're already loose. This thing's only been out on like 2 jobs, so we're gonna stick some bolts in there. I was just being lazy, I think. We bolted the cage for those two 100-gallon tanks. We bolted them right to the side. Again, I put a couple self-tappers in there right from the get-go, and they blew out almost immediately. So yeah, now it's just a matter of setting it up the way we like it. I love doing this sort of thing and kind of figuring out how you can utilize I don't know. It's nice to use the floor space. We had a skid in here before, and you got 3 feet at the back that you can put something in or on top, but it was always a disaster. So now we got full bed space. We still have the height so we can hang our ladders. Can't really hang a huge ladder in here, but an 8-footer, maybe a 10-footer if it's jammed up front. I put this divider in. That was pretty ideal if you don't like the smell of bleach constantly, because this bitch smells like bleach. But yeah, other than that, drop a comment, tell me what you think, and maybe you can show some of my welds, Ryan. Maybe some good ones and some some of them shitty ones. This spacer here, I guess, I don't know, what do you call this? Whatever. This was a huge gap, so don't judge me on that. It's not going anywhere. But yeah, that's a nice one. These ones obviously aren't mine, but yeah, nothing wrong with that. Anyways, yeah, this is my van build. We got pickups and cube trucks. I wanted a van build just so that you can park. You got everything in it all the time. I don't like trailers. So, yeah, this kind of works for us. I've been loving it so far. This is a diesel. It's a eco diesel. And I think the eco diesels are absolute trash. But we're going to run what we brung, and we brung this. So we'll probably use it for another year and maybe get a new Mercedes because they're sweet. But we'll make some money with her first. I want to get a 12-volt system for this. I've never even used the 12-volt system. All we've ever used is P40s for soft washing when we've done a little bit of downstreaming and stuff. But you can't beat these things, in my opinion, so far. I haven't tried everything, obviously, but other than that, that's it. I'll show a couple videos of her maybe in action, and yeah, let me know what you think. Maybe subscribe to this video and we can start showing some of our other builds, because I think we got some cool builds. I love doing this. So I enjoy it when they're nice and clean and organized, and you know, you put a little bit of effort into it in your off season, and it pays off in the busy season. You can just pull up anywhere you want and rock on. So anyways, like, subscribe, tell me what you think, give me some suggestions, thumbs up. Thanks, guys.